Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. This time we're headed into my living room. I have so many things to share with you guys. They don't even fit on my table. These are all things I'm going to use in upcoming DIYs. So let's turn this camera around and I'll show you guys my huge Dollar Tree DIY haul. All right guys, so I have turned the camera around. We are in my living room and I've laid everything out. I've tried to group everything so that we could make this as fast as possible, but there are actually still items I'm looking for. So this is my biggest haul ever, and it's well over 100 items. Let's dig right in. I'm gonna go ahead and pause and get down there on the floor, and I'll show you everything down there first. Alright, so first I'm going to show you guys a few tools that I like to pick up from Dollar Tree for DIYs. I already showed you guys the mini hacksaw in my last DIY. And then I also found this utility knife. It comes with multiple blades there that you just snap off as you use them. So I thought that was probably going to come in handy. This is something I love to have on hand. It's just their little sanding sponge. It's really nice for making things look old and rustic. When you can find the painter's tape at the Dollar Tree, pick it up. I don't always find it. It's by Tool Bench, but it is pretty good. So, and painter's tape can be expensive. The tacky glue from my childhood, I don't know about your childhood, my mom used to like put pearls on veils for friends that were getting married, and she always used this stuff. And then this is one of my all-time favorite things from Dollar Tree. It's their little tray with the roller, the brush. It comes with gloves, and it just makes painting things so much easier. And these are part of my life now. They come 2 in a pack, and they're chopping mats, but I actually use them for painting on. You can wash any kind of acrylic paint right off of these. So if I'm painting something on my table, I don't want it to get messed up, I'll put one of these down. And I also rest my hot glue gun on one. So now let me move those out of the way and we'll get into all of this glory. Okay, we'll start right over here with all the frames. I do like to pick up frames when I see them with the shape or size that I think I can work with. So I did get 2 of the black framed 8x10, the 8x10 in gold. And then I got this one back here that's actually a brown square. And this little 3.5 by 5. This is actually a piece of decor, but I'm going to treat it as a frame. And then this is actually another piece of decor. It just got a little image on it. It's a piece of particle board. So just picked that up also. I grabbed this little garland I have an idea for. And then something I like to pick up I have never worked with for DIYs is the shelf liner. And it comes in 2 different wood tones and then some other prints. This is sort of the lighter wood tone. And so I have actually used this to line shelves with, but I have an idea. I picked up some of this plastic clothesline hook with cord, I guess it's considered, and one of the nautical ropes. And then let me scoot back here. So back here in this little corner I have 2 of the signs for breast cancer awareness, and then 2 of their metal tin buckets with the jute twine on the top. And then I have in here a few of these picks that these actually kind of look like a tree branch to me. So I think I have more of these in a bag somewhere, but I just put 2 out here to show you guys. And then I always like to pick up their little berry picks. I think you can get quite a few for very little money, and those are great to have on hand for Christmas crafting. I also got this set of 2 bowls, and they're just those little plastic bowls. And this set of 6 mini round bowls. And there's the other bucket with the jute on it. This is the shorter one. And then I did pick up some more glam floral, the rose gold poinsettias and the glittery gold branch. That's what I'm going to call it. And so let me set that aside. And then I'll show you guys all of the ornaments here. I did pick up some bottle brush trees to use. I had shared those in another haul, but I picked up more for DIYs. I got this large poinsettia or poinsettia. It's just a clip. It's the white one. And then back here, I got the wood cutout snowflakes. I got 2 of those and 2 of the Christmas tree. I got 2 of those little presents right there. 2 of the little toy soldiers. I got the little snowman hat ornament and the lantern. I got this little burlappy white snowman and some snowflakes and 2 of their star ornaments. And then I did pick up some lights. I got the stars and the traditional bulbs. And then I got a 20 pack or 20 mini lights on the 5 feet of cord and some more fairy lights. And then I got all of this. So let me turn around here. It's actually to my right, and I'll show you guys all this. Right down here, I got a few of the adhesive diamond wrap sheets. I got a tealy blue and gold. I did get some of the little styrofoam balls that there's a set of 4. These are actually not really big. Let's see if they say the size on them. I don't really see a size, but, oh, there we go. 1.9 inch. I think they're bigger than that. So 48 millimeters. I have an idea. Then I got a couple of these trees. You can never go wrong with these for crafting. So I got 2 of those. I got 1 of these. These are actually a set of 2, and they're the styrofoam. These are like for the top of a vase. You can stick in to just sort of wedge, and then you can stick your floral in there. I also got some of the floral foam. I got 2 of those. I picked up this red tinsely garland. It's just got little stars on it. Lots and lots of pom-poms in different colors. So these are 2 packs of the Christmas and 1 of the traditional from like the craft aisle. I did get some decorative mesh in white and some tulle in white and some ribbons, some red and white, and then back there are some golds, and then some red and white polka dot and chevron, the white polka dot, some green. I got a couple of the rolling pins. I was super excited to find those. I did get some of the little craft sticks and the wooden dowels, 1 of the little toy towers, and the wooden beads from the craft section, and then a lot of twine in different colors. So now let me stand up and show you guys what's on the couch. So over here I got 2 of the candy cane wreath forms. I also picked up 3 of the feather white boas from the toy aisle. And I grabbed some of these, they're felt ornament kits. I got 2 gingerbread and 1 Christmas tree. And then I picked up some pans. I got 2 cookie sheets and 2 of the pizza pans. And then as far as ornaments go, I picked up 3 packs. These 2 on the sides are more of the gold tones, and then the red one in the middle. I got the decorative bells, some of these garland ties, just 1 pack, and then this little set of red ornaments. These miniature wreath forms, you get 2 in this pack, and then 1 in the foam. And I don't know what I was thinking because I picked up a lot of the miniature Christmas trees. I ended up with 4 of the white and 1 of the green. And again, I don't know what I was thinking. I got 7 of the white wreath forms, and now I can't remember why, so hopefully it comes back to me. Over here, I've got some of the green garland. Is that what it's called? Just garland, 15 feet. And then a bowl, some little dishes, a candle holder, a charger, a plate, a vase, and some washcloths. And then lastly, I got the car chamois that are those super soft white microfiber cloths, and some glittered snow that is the white felt, a Santa chair cover, and 3 different Christmas tree skirts. So you guys be on the lookout for lots of DIYs coming your way, and I've got my work cut out for me. So that was my massive Dollar Tree DIY haul for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm going to be using in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.